Hey Lucy, we are doing Heather by Conan Gray, and this is a beautiful, somewhat sad song, and it has some real nice chords in it, and I think you chose the perfect song to begin with, even though it's not the easiest song. Like, it's not like... It's not it's a little more complicated, but that's fine because you are managing fine. This is a 4-chord song. It's a very pop thing to do with chords, which is very nice because it's very nice to sing to. And these 4 chords, so the last one, the 4th one, changes from a major chord to a minor chord. It's a major minor substitution. Without further ado, let's get started with this beautiful song. All right. So we are starting on F sharp, major. And I will be using 1, 2, and 4. First, second, and 4th finger for the right hand throughout technically the whole song, and I'm just gonna be using 1 finger on my left hand. And so first chord, F. Goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the first chord. Second chord, C sharp, minor. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Our third chord is D sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now is one of my favorites, B major 7. Which is the same as this. But we're doing our bass with our left hand 1 octave from here. Right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then that's the major minor change. Here it's major. That's the natural triad of B major 7, right? Just like the picture that I showed you of the chord. It's just B major, right? And then we're adding a 7th. And now it's B major 7, right? But let's go back to just B major. This right here, this is our 3rd of the chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? If we look at the B scale, B major scale, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And so 1, 3, 5, sorry, right? And this 3rd determines if it's major or minor. Major, minor. See, when the 3rd is flat, it's minor. Minor, sad chord. Major, happy chord, right? And so we're here. And that's our change. So let's go to the whole song. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. sides. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, pinky. And then I like to do a little something here. Like that. Or you could do this. We are here. Oh, pinky. Ah. You can do that. All black keys. That's a nice ending. Or I like that too. All right. That's nice. So now you try.